Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to use Twoguysfinance's business cash management services. Alright, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one. Let's just jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Twoguysfinance online banking platform, or you can log in on the Twoguysfinance mobile app. And once you log into your account, you're just going to select the business accounts that you want to manage. And once you're there, you want to click on cash management, and now you're going to select the service under cash management that you want to use. Now you can use the Twoguysfinance business cash management service to manage your business cash flows. You can also review and reconcile your business transactions. You can use the Twoguysfinance online banking platform or the mobile app to track your business financial progress. And if you ever run into any problems or any challenges, you can just contact Twoguysfinance's customer service, and they're gonna help you to sort through those. And you can always review and update your cash management settings as needed on Twoguysfinance. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Twoguysfinance's business cash management services. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys